Are you worried about the size of your penis? Does penis size really matter? And do women really care about size? Well, if you've had any of these questions, you found the right video. Because today I'm going to tell you the truth and the most important factor to satisfy a woman sexually. But I'm not big enough. Men have always been concerned about the size of their manhood ever since they hit puberty. There also exists this belief that your penis size determines how much of a man you are. How can I make my penis bigger? But that porn star has such a huge penis. That must mean he must be normal and I must be small. And how can you be blamed? You've had nothing normal to compare it with. Guys, wake up, because these are all myths. The thing is, the guys selected to act in these movies are not there because of their talent in the arts. They're there because they're anatomically gifted. And the women in these movies tend to admire the fact that, oh my god, it's so huge. I mean, give me a break. The truth, guys, is that you can pay people to do and say anything, but that doesn't make it true. The reality is that women would actually freak out in real life if they had to accommodate something of that magnitude. And it's always the guys who are more concerned than the girls about how much is actually big enough. Getting to the point, the truth is humans have an enormous penis to body size ratio. The erect human penis is far longer in proportion when compared to other mammals, including the gorilla and the chimpanzee. But how much is big enough? And what is normal? Masters and Johnson conducted a huge study in the 1960s and found that the average human penis size is about 4.5 to 7 inches in length. And the circumference is about 4 to 6 inches. If you fall within this size bracket, you are normal. But you want one that's 8 or 9 inches, don't you? Well, in reality, it doesn't have to be that long, because guess what? The average vagina is only 6 inches in length. Well, aren't you surprised? The reality is that size doesn't matter unless you have a condition called micropenis. That's a serious issue that requires medical attention. We can discuss that in a whole other video. Women aren't going to feel more pleasure just because you're longer. Girth and thickness is way more important than length, but only slightly when it comes to the question of how to satisfy a woman. But the most critical and important factor is hardness. So how firm you are really does matter. If you have trouble achieving or maintaining a firm and strong erection, you need to see a doctor. Women are always going to be more concerned about your personality before your dick size. So start working on that first. Don't waste your money on penis enlargement pills because they just don't work. So guys, remember, it's not a question of how much is bigger, but how much is big enough, thick enough, and hard enough to make her happy. If you want to unlock the secrets to your personality, have an amazing sex life, and learn more pro sex tips, subscribe today. Give this video a big thumbs up and leave me a comment down in the section below if this video helped you. And be sure to follow me on any of these social media platforms to stay updated with what I'm up to and any videos that I put out. Alright guys, this is Vikram signing off, and I'll see you in the next session.